In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your WordPress admin area. Whether you're a beginner, just starting out, or someone who needs a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other that you feel comfortable using. It's important to use an updated browser for security reasons and to ensure compatibility with your WordPress dashboard. Once your browser is open, you'll need to type in your WordPress admin URL. Now, this URL typically ends in wp-admin and might look something like yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Make sure you are entering the correct URL for your site because this will take you directly to the login page of WordPress. Once you land on the WordPress login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your admin username and password. These are the credentials you set up when you first installed WordPress on your website. It's important to enter these details carefully to avoid any login issues. If you can't recall your username or password, don't worry. There's a handy link called Lost Your Password, located right on the login page. Clicking on this link will guide you through the process of resetting your password. You'll usually need access to the email account linked to your WordPress admin profile, as a password reset link will be sent there. It's crucial to use a strong password for your admin account to enhance your website's security. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using simple, easy-to-guess passwords like password 123 or your birth date. This is one of the key steps in safeguarding your WordPress site from unauthorized access. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, click the Login button. If everything is in order, you'll be directed to the WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central hub for all the behind-the-scenes activities on your website. From here, you can create new posts, manage plugins, change themes, and more. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard will empower you to make the most of WordPress's powerful features. And there you have it. You've successfully entered the WordPress admin area. Navigating to this page is an essential skill for anyone managing a WordPress site. Remember to log out once you've completed your tasks, especially if you're on a shared or public computer, to keep your website secure. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and happy WordPress managing.